Good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome everybody here to the channel, the Vanguard Investing portfolio update here. Um, it's been another great morning here in the market. SPY, the S&P 500, is up 0.29% after hitting all-time high around last week, I think. Um, my portfolio is also doing really great as well, along with the market up here 0.35, a little bit slightly outperforming the S&P 500. By the way, if you guys want to check out and not know about the Discord live chat yet, it's in the description below. I'm always there 24/7 for trading, chat, and everything. So just click that link in the description. For today, just want to kind of update what's been happening with the portfolio since last time. I've been really doing much more than I expected since I think last update I have here up 50% for the year progress, but now it's already up to 84%. So real nice here. What I'm doing in the market is pretty much playing option and add the profit for it back to my long-term portfolios. In this channel, I discuss about stocks that I do for long terms and kind of what I'm looking for the fundamental value investing and everything. So right here, I just want to kind of get over sector by sector like usual. I have here for the first one, it's going to be this services sector. I have LVS, ticker symbol LVS for Las Vegas Sands. I have 1 shares for $64.43. Disney here, I have 2 shares, 284.296 0.26 cents. Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA, 1 share, 175.65. I think for this one they're gonna have a stock split 8-1 on Monday. I don't know how it's gonna work later, but I'm just gonna hold it. Probably it's gonna share to a different part of shares, and the rest will return in form of cash from Robinhood. Next one is JMIA, Jumia Technologies. This is a really new startup company in the Africa, sort of like e-commerce, Amazon or Shopify. I own 10 shares of this. This is really highly speculative. If you can see there, I'm down almost 10%. Equity value $214.70. But for long term, I'm expecting for holding 5 years long because I know how Shopify and Amazon startup as a startup was a really bit volatile and chunky, even looking like it's gonna go down really bad. So this one, I think for as a startup here, I think I'm gonna hold it. But for long term, I see this one is very solid investment. So that's that here. And then Microsoft, moving on to technology sector here. This one has been really beast movement, keep hitting its all-time high every single day. Even after the earnings report, it jumped all the way to all-time high and keep going there forwards. Real nice there. In the 5-year investment performance, it was up 210%. It was really unbelievable. I own 1 share of this, $138.44. Moving on to Facebook, I think this one gonna have earnings later. I think tomorrow. 1 share here, $204.13. This one is my largest holding here. AT&T, $31.82. 14 shares, very great. TLK, Telkom Indonesia. This is a telecommunication company in Indonesia. Controls the majority stakes for the telecommunication and controlled partly by government, so it's kind of insured in there. And 3 share of this, $89.91. And then moving on to semiconductor here, I have INTC or Intel, 2 shares, $103.28. I think they're selling some part of their business to Apple. I think it got sold. That's why it's jumping over here. Chart really great. Dividend is real good. So this one is nice. This one is NVIDIA. I own 2 shares of this, $347.93. Portfolio diversity is 9% there. So I think this is sort of large holding in my portfolio. I'm expecting it to go up here around 190. If you know, I think on a technical standpoint, it's gonna make a double bottom, almost completed. halfway there. So, but I'm just gonna keep holding this. It's a great investment, great company, and I love what they're doing. Next one is IBM, ticker symbol IBM. I own one share of this, $149.81. The gaming company, moving on to Activision Blizzard, two shares, $91.64. EA, one share here, $88.82. Tencent, TCEHY, two shares, $91.74. And NTDOY, Nintendo, and two shares of this, $92.34. And then moving on to the consumers company, this one is the household products is Procter and Gamble, and one share, $115.23. And then Tesla, the electronic vehicle company, one share is $256.62. And then moving to the, I think this is a brand company, TPR Tapestry, one share is 29.72. And then finally, I'm in a new holding here as a consumer is the wheat business. I'm literally just starting here. I'm not sure if they're gonna be profitable, but we'll see how it's gonna play with bounces. But this price ranges, I really like it here. I own one share here, $35.10. Let's see how it's gonna go. But wheat business, I'm not really sure if it's gonna be profitable later. And chart looks gonna look, but this one is highly speculative, so I own a very small amount of my portfolio. Next one is to the brewing company and Hauser British InBev BUD. One share I own here, $95.51. Another beverage company is PEP PepsiCo, and one share, $130.80. Moving on to the healthcare company, I have J&J, Johnson and Johnson, one share, $128.24. BMY Bristol Myers Squibb, and two shares of this, $85.38. And then AbbVie has been dropping, breaking the pattern here after the drop of acquisition of Allergan. And three shares, $205.15. Eli Lilly, this one has not been performing really great, keep making a constant downturn here from the top. And one share is $106.83. This one is a biotech company. Moving on is Amgen, AMGN. One share is $175.96. And then this is a new biotechnology holding to the portfolio is GILD, Gilead Sciences. I like how this is very constant here, keeping the support, support and resistance, support and resistance. So I think it's dropping kind of in the middle. So I grabbed some of it at $85 here on average cost. Moving on to the insurance part is UNH, United Health, $253.75, and one share this. And then CVS, and one share, $55.33. Moving on to the industrial, I have the airplane manufacturer Boeing BA, one share, and $374.60. 3M for MMM, and one share this, $176.81. Caterpillar CAT, and one share, $136.33. Moving on to the financial company here, I have the largest bank, JP Morgan Chase, and one share, $115.86. Wells Fargo WFC, two shares of this, $94.02. This one is a new also holdings to the portfolio is SCHW, is Charles Schwab. I did a couple of research on this on their financial balance sheet and income statement. They are very profitable as an investment company, and their process was really down here. But I grab it as an opportunity, so I get it. I own one share here, $43.28. Might add later if things get really great. Because by the way, they're acquiring. I forget what it's called. The company is USAA or something. And I really like that process of acquisition. Let's see how the M&A gonna works later. But these are some really great investment that they're doing. Moving on to my real estate here, SPG, Simon Property Group, and one share 156.49. And this is my moving on to the energy sector is CVX Chevron. I own one share this $125 Um, and then this is a new holdings in energy sector. Usually, I end the video with my only one energy sector, but this one I added BP for British Petroleum. I own two shares of this, $79.44. Just added it at great dip here that I saw. I saw a great opportunity here. I know it's an IR and it's gonna bounce, so it's really great. Although oil business is kind of wonky as hell, Trump and Iran has been making a lot of consecutive action politically and with the European Council. So it's gonna be oil business is a little bit wonky for now. And that's it. I live here on the watch list. I have SPY here to track the S&P 500. Apple as the largest company. BYND, this one is really interesting. A new IPO 2 months ago has been up almost roughly 700% here. I think it's overvalued. I'm gonna play some option on this one probably later when I'm more comfortable with it. But this one has been profitable for me playing option as well. And this one is JWN for Nordstorm. They're technically at a great dip here and a high dividend yield to progress for a great entry. So I'm still watching this one to spot the bottom for it and have a great play. So far, yeah, I've been adding new holdings and been performing great from option play here. And this is just what I do in this one. So I just want to play option and gain more capital. Since playing dividend and reinvesting it with this capitalization of $5,600 is not really making much of inflow to the portfolio to gain um, more sufficient money to add to the new ticker to all the tickers of my long term here. So I just play option and get the profit from it and invest it to back to the portfolio as a long term. So this one has been really great. I'm proud of the market of what it's been doing. Um, I don't think I'm gonna stop either. I know that the S&P 500 is at all-time high, and there's a lot of speculative around the people here that says that the market's gonna crash and everything. I'm totally fine with a crash. I could play both ways since this is a free market. People could generate money from playing both ways, going short or going long. But this one, I'm here to generate more money for the long term, as I'm pretty young to invest for retirement. So it's pretty good decision. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Don't forget if you guys want to join the Discord community, link is below in the description. I don't know if people can still check it or not, but you guys are welcome to join there and discuss about everything. If you guys have questions and everything about option, about stocks, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for checking out. Peace out.